Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. This day I'm here with the Office Depot Office Max ad for Black Friday 2019. I am back with more Black Friday. I've been doing Black Friday videos all day long. So far today, well, last night at 11 you guys saw Target, and then today has gone up with JCPenney, Best Buy, Kmart, and Sears. So now we are Office Depot. And yes, so exciting. We have freebie deals here, so perfect for couponers. We actually have free items you can get after rewards at Best Buy. So it's really, really awesome, and I can't wait to talk about all that. So yeah, let's just dive right in. So we have some office chairs for huge discounts, 60% off. That's awesome. Have some computers here for pretty big discounts. And then here's the free items. So we got right here, we have a Duracell batteries for 100% back in rewards. So basically what that means is you pay that price at Office Max or Office Depot, and they're going to give you back that money in rewards to use on anything else in the store. So it's really, really great. That's awesome. So that works on the Duracell. So you're going to get those either 16 or 24 pack for free. For free. And the same thing works on the K-Cups. You get 100% back, which is awesome. That's the model that this store is really taking, which I think is interesting, but that's awesome. And look at this insane deal. Norton 360 Deluxe, regularly $89.99. They're running it for $9.99. You are saving $80. Oh my gosh. These office stores, people don't think about going there for deals, but it truly is the best one. It really is. This is the best deal I've seen on the laser printer. It is $99.99 down there, and you're going to get back 50% in points, so it makes it $49.99. It's online only. That's awesome. It says the rewards will be in your account the next day. That's crazy. That's crazy. I can't believe it. That's insane. Plus, you can get this HP printer for $20. We've seen Best Buy actually has one for $20. No rewards. Okay, and then they're going to run deals on desks and stuff. That's a pretty good price. Hey, that's my desk. Yeah, that's my exact desk pretty much. No, it's not the exact, but I have one exactly like that. Really close. Looks the same. Lots of stuff here. Lots of good deals. Computers. Yeah, $179.99 for a computer. Includes Microsoft Office. That's awesome. Flash drives. Oh wow, a 3-pack of 16 gig flash drive is $9.99. Okay. McAfee, regularly $109.99. You can get it for $7.99. Oh my goodness, I don't get it. Wow, unbelievable deals. Unbelievable deals. More stuff here. Oh, they don't open until Friday, 8 a.m., which I really respect them for doing that. I think it's really, really cool of them that they decided to wait and not open until Friday. I just think that's the right thing to do, but I wish more people would do that. Okay, 32 gig flash drive, $6.99 each. The 64 gig is $9.99, and then 128 gig is $19.99. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish we had this store so bad. The closest one's an hour away. They have the Clorox wipes, $1.99 for a 75-pack of wipes. That is crazy. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. I've never seen a store really do that. That's awesome. Then they have the Charmin and Bounty for $10 each. That's an alright price for their big packs. A paper shredder for $24.99, and then a label maker for $9.99. Label makers are really cool. I've always thought about getting one for like my planner and stuff, but I've never actually gone through with it. Hopefully Staples does something similar, but Staples usually is never as good as Office Depot. I can't get over that Clorox wipes. Oh my gosh. Save $20 off of 150 of these gift cards. So they work for multiple places. The Happy Cards, I really like those actually. Those are really good gifts because it has multiple options. Okay. Save 50% on furniture. Okay. There's some good ones in this ad. I'm shocked. Didn't expect it to be that good. Office chairs. I could use a new chair, honestly, but I don't know. Mine's doing the job. The antivirus protection, the Clorox wipes, and the internet protection stuff. That's the best stuff. Oh, and the rewards items. Yeah. It's insane. Lots of random items here. Not everything's a good deal. Keep in mind, you got to be very careful and compare the ads. That's kind of the point. I got all these up, so hopefully you can compare them. So that's it for Office Max Office Depot, and I am so incredibly impressed. I think the deals are just awesome. The 100% items, the printers are great, and the antivirus and the Clorox. Those are the things that I would go there for probably if I had this store, because that's such a good price. So yeah, that's all that I got for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go to Office Max, get yourself some deals, and thank you guys for watching.